So guys, nandito po kami sa Mangudlong. At mukhang mapapasubok ako rito sa aking adventure na ginagawa. At ito na guys.
Baklambak.
Good morning guys. So this is Simon Car Vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another vlog, adventure vlog. So I'm finally here at Pantalan din ang Pantalan. So time check is 8:40. My departure is 9:20. So pero wala is 8:40 pa ma. So di naman sa Pantalan nagbag test. May tarong to gigikan pa og lang Kitagay. Good morning guys. Good morning mga higala. So karong adlaw is October 23. Ta. So what are to gabi kay burn out igang. So karon manuroy ko ron sa musuri ko sa mga may attraction sa Camotes. So in 5, 4, 3, 2. So good morning guys. So muna ang sakyan na kani One Piece.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away.
Good morning mga higala, this is Simon Car Vlog. So welcome back to my channel. Na wala pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Click below bell notification para makita sa latest video na to. Ha!
Never break apart, we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
So salamat sa mga sponsor na karon. Ako raman usa yung travel loan. Pero unyang hapon balik ko og Cebu. Mabulo kay dapat may event karong 26 mga Bisaya vlog. So that's it. Next stop is upok ba sa asay ko na kay. Depende sa tricycle asa mo dong. Let's go. Finally here at Paraiso Cave. Okay. So ako raw sa itong Paraiso Cave.
What's yours for the taking tonight? Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Can't you see it's way past time?
night. Ikaw nga, diba? Inasaran ako. Hadlock. So,
Boy, I'm thinking about taking this planet down.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. In every life we have some trouble. But when you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy.